how to complete Hamster Kombat mini game for today. So make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. And also in my Telegram channel, I will be sharing with you free keys for your Hamster Kombat game. So make sure you join the Telegram channel, link in the profile and in the comment section. So the first thing you do is the green candle at the top, you move it to the right. Then the red candle, you move it upward, the two red candle. Then you adjust the key to the right. Then the green candle to the right. Then the red candle by the left, move it downward. Then you return the key to the left. The two red candle at the top, you move it down. Then the green candle, you move it to the left. You return the red candle upward. Then you adjust the key to the middle. Then the green candle also to the left, to the right. Then the red candle, you shift it upward. Then the green candle, you move it to the left. Then the red candle, you move it downward. Then you slide the key. Boom. You get it. So free Hamster Kombat key in our Telegram channel every day. Link in the comment section and description of this video.